Here you can see my earnings. I have made $833.38, and here you can see total payout. I have received $4,395.05. In this video I'm going to share with you best and most effective ways to generate leads. You should watch this full video without skipping. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you will have to make a website. You can use Blogger to make a website. You can click here to create your Blogger website. Blogger provides free domain and free hosting. You do not need to invest your money. You can earn money using your Blogger website. Guys, I have already created a website using Blogger platform. In next step, you can go on Crakrevenue affiliate network. Guys, this is a best and trusted affiliate network. This network provides lots of CPO offers to choose from. Here you can see this network has got almost 5-star ratings on Trustpilot. This network provides high-paying CPO offers to promote. You can earn a high amount of money using this network. First of all, you will have to create an account on this network. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can directly sign up with Google, or you can type here your first name, last name, your email address and password, and at last you can click on create affiliate account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my earnings. I earn a good amount of money from Crakrevenue affiliate network. Here you can see my earning is $833.38. Once my earning will be reach minimum $1,000, then I will be able to withdraw my money. Let me show you what is the best and effective ways to generate lots of leads. You can click on a smart links button. It will then take you to this page. You can select here any of this category. Guys, a smart link is available in 250 plus countries. You do not need to worry about user's country and user's device. If you will promote a smart link offers, then Crakrevenue network will show CPA offers according to your visitors. Here you can see CPA link. You can insert this CPA link on your website. But in this video, I'm going to use chat head. You can click here. Guys, here is showing chat head. You can click on show code button. Here is showing HTML code of chat head. You can copy this HTML code. Now you can go on your Blogger panel. You can click on layout button. You can click on add a gadget button. Now select your HTML option. You can paste your HTML code of chat head. Now click on save button. Now click on view blog button. Guys, here is showing chat head advertisement. This is the best and most effective ways to generate lots of leads. You can use this tool to generate lots of leads. When your user will click on continue button, then Crakrevenue network will show CPO offers according to your visitors. When your visitors will do any kind of activities on CPO offers landing page, then you will earn money. You can earn up to $50 from one user. Guys, if you want to learn more about Crakrevenue affiliate network, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.